My name's Bendy, and I'm super inky. Today we're gonna play Plush game. No! What? What a freak! Oh. Today we're gonna play Plush game 2. And what's this? What? 23. So, probably this video probably like 6 minutes or 7 minutes. I don't know. But comment down below your Roblox name so I can friend you. Let's go. To get freaking long. What the heck? Come on. Check. I want to check this. First time playing this. Yeah, really. Don't think I'm a liar. Buddies. Yay. Ooh. Ghost me. Spooky. How many people are there? Oh. Wait, come on, bro. I believe in you. Donald. Shout out to Donald Dump 2009. Why is he named Donald Dump? Was his name born? Was he born in like 2000? Like oh, he's dead. Oh crap. Wait, someone's alive? Oh my god! I don't know my life. Let's go! Flood Island. Let's go! Go! You can't hear me. The volume on. Let's go! Wait, someone died? Oh my god! Oh. Go! Eat! All I want to do is survive. That's all. Ooh. Oh, sick. Oh. Sick parkour. Dang it. Parkour. Oh, I made it. I finally made it. Hello, Donald Dump 2009. Shout out to you if you're watching this. Donald Dump. Hey, funny name. Shout out to Taro Nugzami. He's the best. Taro Nugzami. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh no. Oh no! Gotta go! Get away! No! Oh well, I'm dead. No! This guy's gonna do this on me already. No! Why? Oh, not bad. Roy number 1. Roy number 2. Oh! Okay, keep playing this. Let's go. I'm make it parkour on you. Yay! Hey! Don't think you pressed it, cause I'm cooler than you. Bendy's cool. Shit. No! I'm supposed to be cool. Come on, let's go. Okay. Cute GS. Go! Let's go! Look at my fancy cheesecake hat. That's sexy. Look at my sunglasses too. Come on! Okay, Roy number 1. You can't beat me, Roy number 1. Can't beat me. Yeah. I know what it feels like. Yeah. Yay! I'm the first survivor! And Roy number 1, don't think cool, cause I bet you have 0 friends. Yeah. Look at this girl. Cute GS. I bet cute GS you have friends, right? Yeah. Yeah, shout out to Taro Zombie. Yeah, he's cool. Hey, is anyone there? I need to spectate him. Donald Dump, where are you, bro? Come on, Donald Dump! Oh, you are. Yay, he survived! Go! Oh, green. Ooh, green. Looks like fang. Alright, that was the end of the video. Alright, let's go. So I say you're supposed to go here, and it gets easier. Is that right? I don't know. Hey, oh no. What did I? What's wrong? No! Oh, what is out of there? Oh, come on! Come on! Come on! Okay, time to go! Yay, I'm the first one. Oh, buckle! 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 Oh, no! Come on! Come on! Come on, so much Bendy love. Ah! Greening! Green! Green acid! Yes! Come on! Come on, follow Bendy's adventure! Yay! Oh no! Uh-oh. Looks like deep down there. I don't... Oh. Oh, did I just flung? Did I just... Or did I just... Ah! No! I can't make it there! I know I can make that. I know how to make it there! Well, I think that's the end for the video today. Like the video. Comment your Roblox name. And also I got friend you. Bye everyone. Like, share, subscribe. And